Hi there, I'm Nathan Salyer, Co-Captain of Team 702, and our team just completed our CAD review. So CAD is basically a 3D blueprint that tells everyone how to do it. And before we could review it, we had to spend a week with a group of 5 guys making every single part on the robot that we are going to use in the competition robot this year. The CAD review was a 2-hour-long, all-hands-on-deck event where we had everyone pitch in on whether every bolt, every function, and every pulley on the robot was where it was supposed to be and would work the way it was. If people didn't speak up now, we'd have problems later on. So speak now or just keep it in.
I would prefer those be 3D printed spacers.
I don't, but yeah.
Because there's always the human error of messing up your spacing between the lines, and because you want them to be perfect lines, you want them to be like constant spacers instead of shaft colors. I know that's gonna mess up with battery change, but you really want those to be a constant.
We can mark the outside of where the forge is supposed to end.
We can, but I would prefer a solid stop for our belts.
Then you'd have to
How about we use a jig? We just make a jig that you that you just like slap on, you run the shaft collar into it, tighten the shaft collar, take it out.
That works too.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Alright, write that down.
We had 30 members of our team, our mentors, and our coaches all participating. Everyone was encouraged to speak up and bring things to the discussion because if something went wrong, we would be in trouble later and down the line.
All right, so essentially lockdown is the end of today, it's not Monday. I don't want anybody walking away thinking if they think of something on Sunday, they can call you and go, can we talk about this last bit? Is that accurate?
We shouldn't be talking about anything today.
Nothing?
Unless
Okay.
it's something that was added at the very end of today.
All right, deal.
By the end of the meeting, we had a long list of changes that needed to be put into the CAD and 48 hours to do them. Because starting Monday, it was all hands on deck for building the robot. Stay tuned for more updates from Team 702.